Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush, back at it again. Today we have a new vlog for you, but before I show you the vlog, I wanted to just mention something. So over the next week, you're going to be seeing some content that I filmed prior to me moving into the new spot. Just didn't have time to edit it, so I'm going to be kind of trying to get all that content out. So hopefully this week, my plan is to try to post every single day, and I'm going to try my best to get that out because we have some really good races with the boss, with the Whipple Mustang, so all kinds of good stuff coming your way. I just have not had the time to edit anything, so finally got a little bit of time, so I've been working, grinding away, trying to make as many videos as I can to keep you guys entertained. I know during the quarantine, it's not that much fun just chilling at home, so I'm gonna try my best. And for that, please drop a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't, and enjoy the vlog. Here you go. The car isn't actually legal to drive on the road yet. 1, 2, 3!
Alrighty boys, the food just came out.
How's it going, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush, back at it again today. Well, today we have an interesting little fun vlog for you. We get a lot of questions lately. Hey, like, why aren't you driving the boss? Why aren't you taking it out? We want to see boss content. And I haven't really talked about it, but the reason is the car isn't actually legal to drive on the road yet because I haven't registered it. With everything going on, COVID-19, riots, all this stuff, DMV is taking way too long. So finally was able to find a third-party DMV that was able to help me out. So today we're gonna get the new stickers for it and I can finally drive it with peace of mind. Homies pulled up. Say what's up.
The boss is illegal as me, boys.
And I have another homie here. He's a BMW driver from a previous banger that we filmed. So today we're doing a little road trip to San Diego. We're gonna get some barbecue and have some fun. It's gonna be a fun day. Unfortunately, not gonna drive the Mustangs out just because they're gonna need E85 and it's kind of a long drive. So we're taking the daily, way more comfortable. It's gonna get the job done. A little dirty, so don't judge it. It's about to rain today, so I'm not gonna wash it. But anyways, here we go, let's go. All right guys, unexpectedly, turns out our route has turned into a little bit of a canyon run. So we're about to do some Ortega driving. Thankfully, have some good tires on side boost, so should be a fun time, D-Rod.
Hopefully, bro, we got open road now.
Have you ever been in side boot when I took around the canyons?
No.
Oh, okay, so it'll be interesting for you. All right, so I might pass off the camera to D-Rod at some points just for him to film, because I don't want to kill us, but yeah. So, driving through the canyons, got rid of the garbage trucks, now we're stuck down to Prius, and it's sprinkling a little bit, so we have to kind of take it easy. How does side boot feel though?
She feels pretty planted.
It's not too bad, huh?
The Brembos are actually holding up pretty well, even when you're hitting the brakes.
The Brembos are fine, yeah. As long as they don't get hot.
Yeah.
Once they heat up with the ceramic pads, that's when we have issues.
We got some squiggly lines up here.
Alright boys, we're getting pretty close, but we saw this beautiful Camaro SS, some old school. I like the color. Just cruising. Alrighty guys, so here it is. Here's the place where we just pulled up because they're gonna be the ones that be able to take care of the DMV stuff. With the DMV being closed, I just needed to get things done quick, and the performance registration spot right here should be able to do it. So I'm gonna hop back inside real quick and see what happens. So here we go. Alrighty guys, so we just wrapped up and thankfully I have my registration now. Car's registered, got my new stickers, we're good to go. And I'm super excited, man. This was a lot quicker than waiting for the DMV to come back. Now I just gotta wait for my new title to come in the mail and we're ready to go. We good, boys?
Let's go.
Let's get her done. Now it's time to go celebrate, get some barbecue. You down? Are you down for some barbecue?
Yes, sir.
Dude, barbecue sounds so good right now. All right, boys, here we go. Driving home right now and we're ready to get bullied, boys. There's a GT500 behind us. Let me move over for him.
That wasn't that bad, actually.
That shit blew up, dude.
Yeah.
What is it, 760, right?
760 crank, yeah. If I had my whipple on, where would that one?
You would have walked it.
Damn, the one time we don't have the whipple. Let's see if he wants to do it. Alright. Long drive, but we made it. We made it over to Phil's barbecue. Pretty excited to get some food, man. Let me show you guys what else we got over here. So, there it is. There's our sticker. And now the car's good. I forgot to show you guys that before we start driving. And now we just need to go get some food, some grub. Mr. D-Rod with a new mask. What is that? Avengers?
Avengers, bro. I'm 12.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got our mask on, mask off. Only when you eat.
Fucking mask off.
This is what you need to get right here. Oh, I'm so excited. Can I do the beef ribs, the 3 side items? Fresh cut fries and the macaroni salad.
Yeah, what else can I get you today?
That'll be it. But how much are the wings?
We get 5 for $6. They're pretty good.
Alrighty, boys. The food just came up. Perfect, thank you.
What do you think, bud? Have you tried it yet?
Nah.
But it looks bomb, huh?
It does.
I ended up getting wings this time. The guy sold me on them, so I'm gonna go ahead and try them. But nobody got onion rings today. That would have been a good one. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat, feast. I'm so pumped right now because this looks so good. Look at that. Give you guys a little bit of a slow-mo edit here. And that's the wrap. What'd you think?
Best meat I've had in my mouth in a while. Oh my god, what a gut. What about you, D-Rod?
As always, bro. Fire.
Box smack.
Straight E85, baby.
Let's go.
Q16.
Let's go, let's go. Alright guys, after a long drive, we are back. Had good food. Got the boss all squared away here, ready to rip. So today I'll uncover her, throw the new tags on, and the car is officially registered. So this is current setup right now. Got Q SRT chilling in the garage. And today, actually, we got these two going to Mexico. So I'll let D-Rod show that on his channel, but should be a fun little thing. Just doing some festivities.
1, 2, 3!